This is Joey with the Cement Masons and Plasters, Local 528. Our healthcare provider Aetna has made a search tool for you. First thing you're going to want to do is go to our website, opcmia528.org. Next step, you're going to want to click on the Resources tab or scroll down to the Resources section of our website. Next, you will select Health and Welfare Trust button, which will take you to Health and Welfare Trust website. You will click under Contact Info, Important Contacts. Then you will select the link for Find a Provider. This will route you to Aetna's website, where you can continue as a guest, where you can search from your city, state, county, or zip code with a mile range, or you can register with Aetna. This will take you to the category directory of healthcare providers. From here, you can select a preferred provider. Hope this helps. Thank you.